Miu Miu makes the prettiest glasses for girls. I don't even know. Quote me anywhere. You know how it goes. Leave a comment. Let me know think of my new baby. She's so... Clock it. Don't talk to me anyhow, okay? Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a bag. All my fashion girlies, come on in. Now, I always think, why do these videos not do well? Because I have so much amazing stuff to show you. But then I know everyone that knows good things, they usually know. And then the ones that do not know, they miss it. Every time I'm always having business ideas because these bags that I've been showing you, some of them can literally pass the test. But I'm not here to tell you that because the last time I tried that, my video was taken down by Google. They were like, nah, these dupes are too good. We cannot have you deceiving people out here. So I'm not going to mention that word. But these bags I'm about to show you, the link you're going to be able to get them in is below. It's in my description. Some people get these bags and they sell it. Yes, I said it. They sell it for the exact price you would get it if you walk into these stores. And I'm not even kidding. All the links, like I said, will be in the description box. Look out for it. Now, these are the things we got from this website because I always love to put you butterflies on. I love to put you onto amazingness. This is what it looks like. Okay. We're just going to call it luxury unboxing. That's what we'll start calling all these videos, luxury bag unboxing. That's just what we'll call them so that we can be safe from, because I have a literal email telling me if you do this kind of videos again, we're going to take away your page, and I don't want that. Are you ready? So this is the first one. Okay, the first one is Miu Miu, and I got this based off of, let me see if this is the one, but it has the case. Okay, I'll have all the links. Again, you can get these for the fraction of the price. You can get this right for the fraction of the price. So this is the thingy. Now we're getting to the glass. So I have this one before. I have it before, and it got broken when I went to the hospital for my fibroid operation. It got broken there because I forgot to take this case. So if you're like me and you have these Miu Miu glasses, yeah, these cases are so important. You need to travel with them just so that they protect your case from being broken. But I got them again because I love them. They are so pretty. I cannot do without them. And I said, let me come show you another one. Thank you. So I love this shape so much. Like, I love what the frames do. They filter out the sun so beautifully and they fit my face so nicely. Let me know what you think because I'm going to show you another one, but I feel like this one flatters my face the best. It's like, clock it. Don't talk to me anyhow, okay? I love it. I love her so much. I love her so much, and I'll definitely recommend her because, yeah, I love it. I think it fits a lot of face shapes. The next one is still from Miu Miu because I feel like Miu Miu makes the prettiest glasses for girls. I don't even know. Quote me anywhere. If you know a better brand, tell me in the comments. Again, these are for a fraction of the price. If you know, you know. Check the description box for the links, okay? But this is the second one I got from this website. Come on now. What do you think about my glasses? Jane is in love. Oh, Jane said I should not be touching my hair. I cannot not touch my hair, so better know what you do that will save this hair from not being touched. Isn't this so pretty? I have this in the brighter colored lenses, and I knew I had to get this in the darker color shade because it just gives, don't talk to me anyhow. It gives, I'm a soft babe that doesn't like stress. The sun should not shine on me. Gosh, I love her so much. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment right now. Which of the glasses was your fave on me, and which would you be choosing for yourself? Okay, but all of them will be on the website. Almost everything you have or want designer-esque is on that website, like accessories wise. But yeah, now to the main cocoa. Are you ready? So this is my Chanel. Comes with a box, of course, and all the whole, you know, cards, paper, this. Are you ready now for the unboxing? Oh! Oh. Honestly, I'll never be the one to spend 5k, 10k on a bag, but I can still get the experience with this because look at that craftsmanship. Can you see how blingy that is? Like, that's so cool, and it feels like quality. The chain does not feel cheap at all. It's even magneting to my mic. There's this movie on Netflix or seasonal that some South Africans made. This is so cool. Like, it reminds me of this. Yeah, this is so cool. I already ordered a bigger one and I cannot wait for that one to come. I've been building my big girl bag collection. Let me know what you think of this. You know how it goes. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my new baby. She's so pretty. More pink bags to me. To us butterflies if you want pink bags.